Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: account, role permissions, and 2FA. First, create a project in only way with a clear name and start /end dates so timelines are concrete. Next, add stakeholders and assign roles. This prevents confusion later. Once done, import a small CSV or add 1-2 priority tasks to seed the board and validate workflows. Make sure notifications are enabled so you immediately see updates and can confirm basic integrations like email or calendar syncing. Now you build the system that teams will use daily. Create explicit workflow stages: backlog, in progress, review, done, and map which roles can move items between them. Then configure task fields: priority, estimate in hours, and dependencies so timelines auto-adjust. Assign owners and add milestones to visualize delivery points. Once these elements are in place, enable automated rules to move tasks or notify people. This reduces manual overhead and keeps status accurate without constant micromanagement. To finish reliably, focus on delivery and monitoring. Use dashboards showing progress percentage, active blockers, and burn rate to guide decisions. Conduct weekly syncs where you update estimates, reassign tasks, and adjust scope so velocity remains realistic. Once done, close the sprint and archive completed tasks for auditability. If something breaks, first check permissions and automation logs. Often rules or missing rights block transitions. If needed, review the audit trail to identify who changed a task and restore the correct state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.